Guys, we got spoilers for Dragon Ball Super episode 90 to episode 93. Nothing much, just the episode titles, but that'll give us just about enough basic idea about the upcoming episodes. Dragon Ball Super episode 90 title is Overcoming the Wall, Goku x Gohan, airing date May 14th. As we know, in episode 88, Gohan will have an intense training session with Piccolo, and it looks way serious than any other training Gohan had in Dragon Ball Super. You might think Piccolo wasn't the best choice, but yet he knows Gohan better than anyone else. This training is recovering Gohan from what he has become, and then might help him to break his limit that has been created over the years. The title of episode 90 is interesting. The opening 2 of DBS is titled Limit Break X Survivor, and here we have Goku x Gohan. Most likely Gohan and Goku will go all out in preparation for the tournament. It also says Overcoming the Wall, so this is sounding something similar to breaking limits. The last time Gohan trained with Goku was in the Hyperbolic Time Chamber back in the Cell Saga, and oh boy, Gohan was unstoppable afterward. So this might be the deal winner for Gohan, and we might see him doing something better than expected. Gohan should logically be able to get a new transformation, because Future Trunks, after training with Vegeta, almost got half hold of the blue form and mixed it with Rage, and it was as effective as Super Saiyan Blue back then. Gohan might get that form or something similar, but a bit different. This might also show if Goku has reached a new level of power or not, as Goku seems to be quite relaxed. So this is probably going to be a fan favorite episode. For now, keep sharing this video with hashtag #MakeGohanGreatAgain. Dragon Ball Super episode 91 title is The Mightiest Warriors Assemble, and Dragon Ball Super episode 92 title is All the Members Aren't Here, and this episodes will be aired on May 21st and 28th respectively. Now it's a little bit confusing as to if they're talking about the Warriors of Universe 7 team gathering, or if they're now on the Tournament of Power and it's all about the Warriors. Well, for now we're guessing it's about the U7 team, since the 92 title says some of the members are missing. Now, who would be missing? Like someone who would freak out at the last moment or something? Or maybe some members went training separately? I think it could be Majin Buu. Maybe he slept through after that training and gained back all his weight, like seen in the opening and ending. However, I did notice some fans were commenting that maybe the opening and promotional materials were deceiving, and we might have a change in the 10 fighter team. I don't think that will happen, and I sure as hell wouldn't want that to happen. I'm really satisfied with the team and would get really pissed off if they changed. I think I can only stand Buu or 18 getting replaced, but no one else. And that won't happen, as Buu is among the strongest and 18 will teamwork with 17 and probably Krillin. So what's your take on all this? Comment your opinion and predictions down below. See you in the next Dragon Ball Super video.